Hi guys, let's do some mental exercise now. Wondering how? Let's play some games. Okay, in this game, as you can see, we need to draw this person using the blocks we have. Now, before I tell you how to do it, pause the video and try to solve the problem on your own. I hope that you were able to accomplish the given task, but if not, then it's time to watch and learn. I need a circle at x equals to 50 and y equals to 70. Yes. Also, it should be of red color. Yes. We have a face now. Let's make the body now. By hit and try, I got the correct height and width of the rectangle. The center of the rectangle was x equals to 50 and y equals to 40. Now, let's make the hands. For that, we will use this line block. Set the values by seeing the image we have. We need to start the line from 40, 50 and go till 20, 70. Also, we will set the width of the line as 5. And yes, of course, the color as black. Yes, we have got this. Now, we are left with only one hand and I would like you to try the remaining part on your own. This was easy. Let's try a difficult one also. But before you see the solution, I want you to try it yourself. Let's make the person first as we did previously. Now, since the movement of hands and legs is dependent on time, we are going to use this time block along with math block to create exact relation. So, let's set left hand first. According to the animation, my start x, start y and end x are always same. We can change end y according to the time by attaching this time block at end y outlet. This would mean that the value of end y is same as the value of time. When time is 0, the value of end y is 0, and as the time goes till 100, the value of end y also goes till 100. Now let's run it. Our left hand is going in the exact opposite direction. So, if you think it logically, we need to subtract the time from 100 to move the hand in the same direction. And you know why we are subtracting it from 100, right? Because our upper limit of time is 100. We want end y to be 100 when time is 0 and 0 when time is 100. And doing this satisfies the condition. Now let's start with the left leg. Here, by looking at the animation, we can see that our start x, start y and end y are constant, and the only parameter which is changing is end x. So let's put the time block with index and let's see what happens. Yes, it's working. Now let's come on to the right hand. For the right hand, we have constant start x, start y and end x. The changing parameter is end y. For setting the right hand, we are given this formula in the help. So let's implement it using blocks. Yes. And now let's run it. Now we are just left with the right leg, and based on the same logic we used for left hand, we have successfully completed our animation. That was really interesting. But now let's do another activity. Look at this figure carefully. There is a pattern followed by these blocks, and based on it you need to identify which of the following option will fit in the missing area. Pause the video and give it a thought. Okay, I hope that you might have guessed the answer. Yes, that's the right option. But if you guessed it wrong, then don't worry. You will realize where you made the mistake. Starting from the first block, we can see that the marked block is jumping a step ahead in each box. Also, it is following a cross plus pattern alternatively. And thus, following the same pattern, we will get this block in place of the missing block. Okay, now try to solve this similar question on your own. Pause the video and continue it when you are done. Okay, so let's also do a fun task now, in which there will be just creativity and no right and wrong answers. In this game, you are given an incomplete figure, and using your imagination, you have to create something awesome. Think of what you can draw and submit your entry to get it featured on the website. So, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.